Hi, I'm Chef Rich Rosendell, and today I'll be guiding you through how to reheat your Route 657 Catering smoked turkey for Thanksgiving. Our smoked turkeys have become a tradition for many of our guests, and we've been doing these year after year. These turkeys make life at the Thanksgiving table so much easier by bringing the incredible flavor and convenience to your holiday meal. At Route 657 Catering, we take great care preparing each turkey by smoking them slowly over hickory wood to give you that perfect rich flavor for your Thanksgiving feast. When you pick your turkey up from us, it's fully cooked and packaged, ready to be reheated with just a few simple steps. Here's what you're going to need: an oven, a roasting pan, heavy-duty aluminum foil, a good meat thermometer, a pair of scissors, and a measuring cup. Let's get started. The first thing you're going to need to do is to preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. That's the temperature we recommend for reheating your turkey. Once your oven is heating up, go ahead and unpack the turkey. I find it helpful to use a pair of scissors to open up the packaging cleanly and quickly. Now, place your turkey in a roasting pan, making sure that the pan has enough room to comfortably hold the turkey. Next, add 1 cup of water to the roasting pan. This water creates steam inside the oven, helping to keep the turkey moist and ensuring it reheats evenly. Be sure not to add too much water. You don't want the turkey swimming in water, just enough to create a steamy environment. After adding the water, cover the turkey tightly with heavy-duty aluminum foil. I recommend heavy-duty foil because it's more durable and less likely to tear, helping it lock in the moisture as the turkey heats. Now that your turkey is wrapped and ready, place it in the oven. If your oven has adjustable shelving, I recommend placing it on the second shelf from the bottom so that it's not sitting too close to the heat source. You'll want to reheat your turkey for about 10 to 13 minutes per pound. Our turkey will take about 2.5 hours of reheating time. After about an hour, check on your turkey by carefully peeling back the foil and using a meat thermometer to check the temperature in the thickest part of the thigh. You're looking at a reading of about 110 degrees Fahrenheit at this stage. If it's not quite there yet, rewrap the turkey and slide it back into the oven for an additional 30 to 45 minutes. Your goal is to get to an internal temperature up to 155 degrees Fahrenheit. Even though most people think that 165 degrees is the target, the turkey will continue to cook from the residual heat even after you remove it from the oven, bringing it up to the perfect temperature without drying it out. Once you've reached 155 degrees Fahrenheit, remove the turkey from the oven and let it rest for about 20 to 30 minutes. Resting the turkey helps the juices redistribute throughout the meat, keeping it tender and flavorful when you carve it. This is a great time to finish up any last-minute prep for your sides like mashed potatoes or rolls. After the resting period, it's time to carve. I like to start with the legs and the thighs, cutting right at the joint where the meat naturally separates. Then move up to the breast meat. You'll find that the breastbone is in the center, and I usually start on one side, cutting along the bone to remove the breast in one clean section. When carving the breast, I recommend cutting it into thick slices, about 1/2 inch, to keep the meat juicy and tender. As you slice, you'll see the juices running out. This is exactly what you want, a moist, flavorful turkey that's ready to be served. And there you have it. Your Route 657 Catering smoked turkey is ready to be the star of your Thanksgiving meal. From all of us at Route 657 Catering and Rosendell Events, thank you for choosing us to be part of your holiday tradition. If you have any additional questions, please feel free to reach out to us on our website, and have a great holiday season.